Hello everybody, it's the mobile home mama. Let me back up a little bit so you can see this beautiful Portage home. Now I'm calling out for some help here. I made a boo-boo, okay? I built this home and I put the aisleway on this side. And the customer needed it to go on that side. So here we are with a fabulous opportunity for someone who needs a home now. Still one of my favorite builds I've ever done. This is a 16 by 76 Portage, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. It's got this beautiful wedgewood color here. Can I just take a break here? Look over there. Huh? There's Meow Meow. Can I tell you, this cat, it's like she wants to be a star. Every time she sees me coming out here to do a video, she's right behind me. Anyways, yes. Beautiful wedgewood blue. We've got lineal trims around all the windows. Let's see what else we have going on. We've got a drywall package on the inside. And in that drywall package, we have a lot of great things. Pier savers under the door. If you're new to my channel, I like to go around manufactured homes and talk to you about the build of the home so that you know, if you're looking to buy a new home, what things you might want to put in there. This is what a pier saver is. See there? It's just a reinforcement of the door. And it's a very good thing. So that over the years, not that they would, just gonna support your door extra. And also, if you add those pier savers, you will not need concrete piers right there, which saves you a little bit of money. Usually those are about 275 bucks per pier. So it's nice to have those. Exterior faucet, that's frost-free. Now this looks a little strange to you probably. This is the dryer vent, and it's way up there, right? That's because you'll see when we get on the inside that we have a stackable washer and dryer in here. Part of the drywall package is also this little 6-foot dormer over the door. So if by chance you were ever going to build a porch coming out from the door, you have the dormer there and it's ready and available. Okay, when you see this beauty on the inside, it's breathtaking, okay? I enlarged every window there was to enlarge. Drywall is really gonna stand out when I step inside. And then we've got some beautiful tile as well with a Craftsman door in the front. Now I gotta do some climbing here. I don't want you guys to hear me overheating, so I'll be right back. All right, now that I climbed up that big hitch, by the way, the hitch is gonna come off, so that doesn't stay with the house forever. We've got an extra exterior receptacle on the porch. And you were probably gonna ask me, Christina, why is there not a window here? Well, we wanted to be able to build a TV wall. And really, the main view was coming out the side, so that's why we're gonna notice that there. Stepping into the home. Oh, it smells like brand new. It smells so great. On the floor, we've got aged European oak. On the cabinets, she did some cool design stuff. Timberwolf on the bottom, hardwood white on the top. And it really, really looks good with the colors that she chose, because as you guys know about our Dustin White cabinets, they have a wood grain look to them. Let me get a little closer. So the wood grain look in there is going to flow nicely with the hardwood Timberwolf, and is going to flow nicely with the ceramic backsplash. Ooh la la. And then finally, it all is tied together with Bella Romano on the countertop. We've got a full wall of ceramic tile here behind the stove, and this is a gas stove. Microwave over the range. Of course, a dishwasher. And a side-by-side with ice and water in the door. Plenty of storage. We've got cabinets to the ceiling. Yes. 3-inch style trim up at the top, real wood trim. And when I take a step back, we've got plenty of lighting there in the kitchen. Colonial cove over the windows. There's the beautiful drywall. And look at all the natural light that comes in here. Now on the floor, you're seeing some washer dryer cabinets, because remember I talked about we have a stackable washer and dryer back there. So I shipped these loose so that she could use them, or you could use them. I'm calling on all of my viewers to please help me find a home for this beauty. Coming down the hallway, you know me, I'm gonna add windows everywhere I can. So I put a little transom in the hallway just to lighten it up. When I take a step back, you can really see right where it comes in, right? This is a 3-bed, 2-bath. So here's bedroom number 2. Window blinds also included. Here's a closet. Yes. And in between the 2 bedrooms, we're gonna walk up upon bathroom number 2. And I know I always talk about what boots or what season it is, and ladies, we are now in the muddy boot season. You should see my parking lot. Speaking of that, hey, it's time to visit. It's springtime, folks. We've got trim around the mirrors. Of course, the ceramic tile is going to continue into the bathroom. Give me a call. I'll put you and your family in a very nice hotel, an Amish-inspired hotel. There is electricity, don't worry. Here's the furnace on the way back. 200 amp electrical in this home. And the reason she wanted to do the stackable washer and dryer is because she wanted to add her own cabinet here. So there's going to be some space here after you add your washer and dryer. Here's bedroom number 3. Back to what I was saying. When you arrive, I'll show you step by step how the home is made. And then we have some homes on display. I've got several homes sitting out there right now. That's why I need some help. We've got some stuff that are show homes. I'm about to put this whole lot on sale, guys. So if you're looking for a good deal, by the way, this is the master bedroom. If you're looking for a good deal, now's the time to come talk to me, because I'm ready to rebuild. And if I'm gonna be honest, I'm just really gonna replace the same floor plans with what I already have because they've done so great. Walk-in closet, washer dryer, or excuse me, come on, Christina. Okay, it is $440 here. Just so you know, you guys need to cut me some slack. Water heater back there. But I really wanted to get this video out to you. And then an ensuite off of the master bath. Here we go, off of the master bedroom. I am done. It's over. I love what she did in the bathroom. We've got plenty of storage here. We've got a 29-inch linen and then a centered sink because she's girly just like I am. So plenty of room for your hair tools and whatnot. And then of course your mirror is going to be centered as well. Toilet kind of in a semi-hidden position. Got a wall that's going to protect some of your privacy. The only thing you'll see is the legs, right? And then we've got your tub shower over here. So I could really, really use some help moving this baby out of here. Perfect for a lake house or a lake or anything, or if you need a home now, come and talk to me and let's make a deal. I love that game show. And I've got about a $20,000 discount on this home right now. Give me a call, 260-383-1009. You can also text. I think my email is on my homepage of my YouTube channel. Shoot me an email, shoot me a text, give me a call, make an appointment, tour the factory, hang out with Meow Meow. We've also got Brittany here too. You guys remember her? I'd love to see you. And as always, thanks for watching.